In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI with app integrations through Make.com in 2025. First, sign up for Claude Pro or Team Plan as integrations require a paid subscription. Then, visit Make.com and create an account. Next, search for Anthropic Cloud in Make.com's app directory and select it to start building automated workflows. Then connect your Claude API by entering your API key from console.anthropic.com in the Make.com connector settings. Create scenarios by choosing trigger apps like Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets that will send data to Claude for processing. Set up Claude to analyze, summarize, or generate content based on the incoming data, then route Claude's responses to other apps like CRM systems or notification tools. Finally, test your workflow and activate it to automate tasks like email responses, content creation, or data analysis across your favorite apps. And that's how to use Claude AI with app integrations through Make.com.